Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of work, power and energy. The question here is a uniform chain of length 2 meter is kept on the table such that length of 60 centimeter hangs freely from the edge of the table. The total mass of the chain is 4 kg. What is the work done in pulling the entire chain on the table? Take G is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So first of all we see diagrammatically what the question is. This is a table and on this table this chain is lying. This length which is hanging downward is 60 centimeter. The center of gravity of this hanging chain is at the center, so the length that is on the table is 30 centimeter. So now we see what is given to us. Given total length is 2 meter and mass is 4 kg. The length hanging is 60 centimeter or that is equals to 0.60 meter. So now in this question we have to find out work done. So solution, since the center of gravity is at 30 centimeter or 0.3 meter, so therefore length to cover is equals to 0.30 meter. Now for 2 meter length, mass is 4 kg. For 0.6 meter length, mass will be 4 into 0.6 divided by 2, that is equals to 1.2 kg. Now work done. Formula for work done is force into displacement, that is equals to, force is here weight of the chain that has to be lifted into the length that has to be lifted according to the question. So now here force is, mass is equals to 1.2 into 9.8 and the distance that has to covered is 0.3. On solving this, we get this value is equals to 3.58 joule, or that can be considered to be 3.6 joule. 3.6 joule. Now what is our answer to the question? Answer to the question is work done to lift the chain. Work done to lift the chain is equals to 3.6 joule. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.